Hello, Skye. Hey, so let me delete this here. Um, just wanted to get with you on this. Um, so basically what they want you to do is they want you to go to the region summary. So I'm on the Tibetan grill, and they want you to enter sum with the left parenthesis. And then what we're going to do is we're going to click on this Grill 5-01 tab down here. And when we do that, you can notice up here in the Formula tab that that gets entered here. Now it's waiting for the rest of our whatever we're going to do here. So we need to go, let me change this. Okay, so we need to go all the way to, so you can see you got 5-02, 503, 04, 05, 06, and there's some more over here. Well, we want to left click to get all the way over to 5-08. Before I click here, so keep an eye on this little formula bar up here, but I'm going to press and hold the shift key down, and I'm going to left click on Grill 5-08. And it entered that up here. So there's a colon between those two sheets, and now it's waiting for me to add the rest of my formula. And the last part of this formula is to click on the cell B5. And when I click on cell B5, you can see it adds it in up here. And then if I add in a right parenthesis and touch the enter key, it takes me all the way back to the region summary, and it inserts that formula into that cell B6. So take a look at that. I would say that the most complicated part is kind of maneuvering down around here. But you can rewatch this video, and alternatively, which is like the dummy's guide to Excel, would be to simply type this in there. Now that's not going to help you very much, because the chances of you having worksheets with those names again would be slim to none. So I wouldn't recommend doing it that way. I'd figure out how to do the clicking, because you're using multiple worksheets to create this formula on a separate worksheet. So the workbook has all these things in it, but we're trying to get this formula to show up in the region summary sheet. So take a look at that and see if that helps. All right, thanks.